With millions of people purchasing the products on Amazon, it's crucial to have a competitive edge. It's crucial not to waste resources on promoting your products on Amazon if they become overlooked and unnoticed. As you are already aware, Amazon dominates the world, but you should be aware of how to effectively participate in it. How can you launch your products on Amazon? How can you differentiate your offerings from the competition? How can you avoid getting lost in the crowded Amazon marketplace? Our team of experienced Amazon marketing experts can help you develop a comprehensive strategy that maximizes your budget. Partnering with a reputable Amazon agency that has a track record of delivering results is crucial to achieving a high return on investment for your Amazon marketing efforts. At TheManinderShow, integrity is at the core of our marketing services. We place a strong emphasis on transparency in our business practices, ensuring that there are no hidden fees or misleading reporting methods. Our Amazon AMS team offers comprehensive insights into your business on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Our upfront approach allows you to directly witness how our efforts contribute to the growth of your online revenue. Searching for an Amazon agency ready to deliver prime results? TheManinderShow is offering Amazon marketing services such as optimizing for SEO on Amazon, advertising on Amazon through PPC, Amazon brand stores, reporting and analytics for Amazon, Amazon storefront design, Amazon inventory and pricing management, and many more. Select TheManinderShow as your Amazon marketing services agency for their expertise, customized strategies, data-driven approach, transparent communication, proven results, and client-centric focus. Let's connect today to optimize your Amazon budget and ensure maximum return on investment.